How to fix Capcut Not Exporting. So first is to ensure that you have updated the app to its latest version. So to do this, just head over to your Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Then search for Capcut. So if you see this update button, just tap and wait for it to finish uploading. Now if this does not work, so just go to your settings, scroll down until you find apps, then use the search icon to search for Capcut, then tap Force Stop, which is seen on the lower right corner, and then scroll down, then select Storage. Now from here, you need to clear cache and clear data. So just tap these two icons found below. Now go ahead and open the CapCut application and see if the issue has been resolved. And so those are the ways on how to fix CapCut not exporting. Thank you and have a great day.